I'm from Kenya, Kajiado County. I came here on 22nd of September in India, 2021, for a kidney transplant. I had a problem with diabetes since 2003, and I've been taking treatment in Kenya until my kidneys started failing. I got a friend who assisted us to come to India. After some consultation with my children and my wife, we decided to come. We came here on that date I've mentioned earlier, and we had several tests. We had some tests for over 1 month on various diseases other than the one that I had, because I had diabetes and that kidney failure and high blood pressure. And we are lucky to have Dr. Manju, who assisted us and done my operation on 26th of October 2021, and it was very successful. I'm grateful because when I came to India, I was on a wheelchair when I was going for the test. I used to go with a wheelchair with the help of my son and a friend of mine whom I can't call his name. I can pronounce his name. We had they were helpful to me, and also my wife. When I was in Kenya, she has taken care of me because there were sometimes I can't walk alone, I can't drive, so she uses to drive me to the hospital and back home. So I'm grateful to her, and also my children. They were helpful to me, and I got a lot of support from my family. When we came when we were 3, me and my son and a first cousin of mine, so that we can see which one of them can give me a kidney. But it was noted that my son had a potential to give me the kidney, and he was willing, and he gave me. That was on 26th of October. I stayed in the hospital for treatment and for to be seen by the doctor for about 9 days. Then I was discharged to the house, and fortunately my wife joined me, and the other fellows, they went back home. So I am very grateful to the Artemis hospital for the assistance, for the operation that they done, and it was successful. The nurses and the doctors, they were very friendly. Though at times I had a lot of pain, I have been complaining about the pain, but they are very helpful to me, and I'm very grateful to them, especially those who are in the ICU unit. They were very helpful, and I really thank them. I came also to be given dialysis before operation, and I was also very grateful to that department because they have done their work very well and very friendly. So I can say that whenever I hear a patient in Kenya who is suffering from a problem that I had, I'll definitely not hesitate to tell them to come to Kenya. I am also very grateful to the Indians community at large, because when we came to the hostels that we are staying, they are very friendly, they are very polite to us. We have never heard any complaint about us, and we have never heard complaint about them. We are very grateful. The Indian people are very friendly. It is not the way we used to refer them there in Kenya, because in Kenya, the Indians that we had are businessmen. They have no time to talk to anybody, but we have come to know that they are very polite people and they are very friendly. We thank them because of their attitude to mankind. Thank you.
I'm Anastasia, I am the wife, and I really appreciate your good support, your good moral. You have supported us since we came here. I don't have much to say because he has talked a lot. Value healthcare. You really supported us much. We really appreciate you. What I can say, it is thanks to God. Let God support Artemis Hospital. Let God support you. Continue helping the sick people. Continue doing, because all that you have done, God